Now, Jamaica and West Indies great Courtney Walsh has returned to coaching at the international level after being appointed Zimbabwe's bowling consultant for the upcoming T20 World Cup. Walsh, who was the first man to take 500 test wickets, had previously served as specialist bowling coach for Bangladesh men and as head coach with West Indies women. In 2024, he was also a technical consultant with the Zimbabwean women's team. Zimbabwe cricket managing director Gifmore Makoni says Walsh's appointment is aimed at harnessing his ability to mentor the bowlers. Zimbabwe are in Group B at the T20 World Cup alongside Australia, Ireland, Oman and the tournament co-host Sri Lanka. All 4 of Zimbabwe's group games are in Sri Lanka across 3 venues, 2 in Colombo and 1 in Palekele. They returned to the tournament after failing to qualify for the 2024 edition.